Death is a blow to authorities in Mali, just as they were beginning to lift quarantine restrictions on more than 100 people exposed to the country's first victim of the virus. The nurse had treated a Guinean patient at a clinic in capital Bamako who was suffering from kidney failure and later died. Liberia has announced that new cases had dropped from a daily peak of more than 500 to around 50, confirming tentative announcement by experts worldwide of an apparent slowdown in the epidemic. Meanwhile, former British Prime Minister Tony Blair met with health officials and urged the international community not to let up the fight against the disease. Sierra Leone is one of the countries hardest hit by the outbreak.
Huge amount is being done. I think there is a vast amount more of organisation, focus, discipline, but there's still, we still have shortages of beds and medical personnel, and lab tests need to be done faster, and there's a whole host of things that needs to be done, and the disease, the numbers of cases continue to rise. So I think people are optimistic they will get on top of it. And there's an immense amount of work being done by the government of Sierra Leone, great job done by the British government, but this is a big challenge, and we just got to keep focusing on it until the job is done.
Nearly 5,000 people have died in the current Ebola epidemic, most of them in the West African countries of Guinea, Sierra Leone and Liberia.